Welcome to today's Tech and Finance Press Review, where we dive into the latest trends and breakthroughs shaping our world. Get ready for an exciting exploration of the headlines that matter most. The integration of AI into traditional industries is revolutionizing operational efficiency, particularly in logistics and manufacturing, leading to significant cost reductions and enhanced service levels. By leveraging predictive analytics and optimization tools, companies can not only reduce inventory and mitigate risks, but also improve EBITDA margins through scalable solutions that accommodate fluctuating demand. As industries adapt to these advancements, the potential for increased profitability and sustainability becomes increasingly apparent, highlighting AI's critical role in the future of supply chain management. The integration of AI in traditional industries such as manufacturing and logistics is proving transformative, significantly enhancing operational efficiency and financial performance. By enabling cost reductions and more accurate forecasting, companies are not only improving their EBITDA, but also positioning themselves for scalable growth. As early adopters showcase substantial gains, the trend underscores the importance for other firms to invest in AI to maintain competitive advantage and drive profitability. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed our tech and finance updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more insights. See you next time.